Hello and welcome to the review video of Matrac XT4569. Matrac Incorporated was founded in early 2008. It is one of the leading providers of GPS fleet and asset tracking solutions, both for individual and businesses. The company is headquartered in San Francisco Bay Area. It is present in 3 continents, providing global outreach to its customers. The company offers 3 variants of vehicle and asset trackers. Today we will be reviewing the MAHW Silver XT4569. This particular model also works as a telematics system and comes with an additional fail-safe features. The XT4569 hardware is priced at $125. The website usually has discounts on the hardware and one can get it easily for around $100. The device also comes with 1 year warranty. Monthly plan costs $1295. We will be rating the pricing for this product score of C. The XT4569 is quite compact when compared to the other 2 models offered by the company. It features an 8-pin circular Bion harness connector and comes with optional 2 digital inputs and 2 ADC inputs. The device has an operating temperature ranging from 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. It is tamper-proof, waterproof and weatherproof. The device has 2 LED lights. Blue represents cellular and green represents GPS. The device supports 4 LTE connection with 3G fallback in absence of network. We will be rating the design of this device score of B-. The sales package includes a mounting kit. The kit includes only screws for installation. Other accessories like the 3M weld tape and mounting magnets are optional. The company has provided some guidelines for installation. It advises to avoid installing the device under the hood or in an enclosed space surrounded by metals. The tracker requires adequate access to GPS signals. To facilitate so, it is advised to install this device in a position that provides this access. The device can be mounted anywhere on the trailer. However, it must have access to the open sky. For normal installation, the user will have to connect all 3 wires shown in the image above. This is also the default mode for the device and all features will be available. For trailers, RVs or assets without ignition wires, the users should only connect the red and black wires during installation. Here the tracker is powered by the battery and updates are made based on movement of vehicle. Please note in this case notifications for ignition off or on and any other engine status reports are not available. We will be rating the ease of installation of this device score of B+. The XT4569 has a 1 ampere lithium ion internal battery. The internal battery in this device is connected to a specialized motion sensor. This sensor captures tracking information and sends the updates to the user or fleet manager in case of a power failure. This backup system helps the tracker to function without power source for up to 2 weeks. We will be rating the battery on this device score of A-. The aggressive tracking mode is essentially a theft prevention and recovery feature. If an asset or trailer is stolen, the fleet manager can activate this feature. It increases the frequency of tracking updates. Once this feature is activated, the company would then be able to track the trailer and help the fleet manager in recovery. We would be rating this feature score of B. Geofence technology helps the user to determine virtual boundaries. When this boundary is violated by a trailer, asset, or a person, an alert is issued. Matrac offers users to lay down geofence around a designated asset. When the asset crosses the geofence, the user will be alerted. In addition to this, the aggressive tracking mode will be activated. A user can create up to 10 geofences in one account. We will be rating this feature score of C. The real-time data captured by the tracker can be found in Matrac's tracking and report system. The reports contain information related to location details, engine on and off reports, street address, speed, mileage, and direction. Vehicles involved in intrastate hauls requires IFTA tax reports. These reports are calculated based on the numbers of miles driven through each state relative to fuel purchased in each state. Matrac calculates and provides the IFTA reports so that the fleet managers or drivers don't have to. Alerts for vehicle maintenance can also be set in the system. Alerts can be customized as per the fleet's requirement. Parameters can be set for events like speeding, ignition on and off, tow alerts, battery status, etc. Reports and alerts are received over SMS and emails. The user will receive 2 updates in a day. Note that the data is only stored for 1 year. We will be rating the reports and alerts feature of this device score of B. Matrack offers a portal for fleet managers to streamline working operation of the business. On this portal, the tasks can be organized on priority basis. The most optimal route for a haul can be mapped out. Different tasks for different drivers can be delegated, etc. Along with these features, Matrack also provides their clients with tracking link to track the deliveries in transit. The company has also partnered with Blink Roadside Assistance. It provides the user with heavy discounts on responsive roadside emergency services. We will be rating the Matrax Dispatch Manager system score of B+. Now let's glance at the pros of the XT4569. The device is suited for heavy industrial usage. The hardware is weatherproof, waterproof, and tamper proof. It has a long battery backup of 1 month. The device is compact, and unlike other models by Matrack, the XT4569 is suitable for vehicle without ignition wires. It supports 4 LTE connection with 3G fallback. The original sales package comes with screws. However, one can also get a package with 3M weld tape or mounting magnets to suit the requirement. Apart from the real-time tracking reports, the XT4569 offers reports like IFTA fuel reports, maintenance reports, etc. The alerts can be customized as per the fleet manager's requirement. Discounts for roadside emergency services owing to partnership with Blink. Matrax Dispatch Manager system helps the fleet manager to prioritize and delegate tasks in addition to mapping out the most efficient and fuel saving route for a trip. Now let's have a look at some of the cons of this device. The user can create only up to 10 geofences under one account. This is quite restrictive for fleets of larger sizes. The device has to be placed in a way that it has access to open sky. Though not a huge problem, it definitely reduces the installation area options. Installation location makes the device extremely prone to theft. The XT4569 is pricier than the other options provided by the company. However, this model provides the fleet manager with added features to manage the fleet better. The partnership with Blink Roadside Emergency Services is a great add on, especially when insurance premium for trucking is so steep. As good as these features might sound, the absence of companion app is a big inconvenience. If you're looking for a reasonably priced tracking system for a medium-sized fleet, XT4569 might be the model to consider amongst the other models offered by Matrack. We will be giving this device an overall score of B.